First, we'll look at how to use autofill with letter grades such as S, N, or U. Before creating any new assignments, you must first create at least one category. Make sure that is created before moving forward. Then click the plus sign for a new assignment. Input your assignment title as required. And the next thing you're going to do is create your points. If you're using letter grades S, N, and U, your points are going to be out of 100. Skip the questions and make sure that the category is as desired from this drop-down. Make sure your assigned date and your due date is what you would like using this handy calendar. Make sure any linked sections that you want this assignment to appear in are selected. Give this assignment a description if you desire. And now for the autofill. For using letters S, N, or U, please make sure that this drop-down selected says letter grade. Then input your desired letter into this box. I'm going to use S for this example. Make sure to save your changes. After saving, the Grades tab appears, where you will see that autofilled value input here. You can go in and modify individual students from this column, and your changes will automatically save. Next, we will look at how to use the autofill grading feature with points or percentages. Make sure that you have at least one category previously created before moving on to create an assignment. Click the plus sign for a new assignment and it'll take you to the assignment details screen where you can add your assignment title and your points. Your points can be any value here that you wish. You can skip the questions box and make sure that your category is selected appropriately. Edit your assign, due, and publish dates as needed. Make sure your linked sections that you want this assignment to appear in are selected here, and then put your desired input into the autofill box. I'm going to autofill this as 100 points for a notebook check, and then I'm going to save my changes. You'll now see that the Grades tab appears, where I can quickly see all of the input autofill grades and modify individual students as needed. These grades will automatically save. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for joining us. Check out the video description below for additional resources and to fill out that comment card for future video requests. We're here to create content for you. And subscribe so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.